Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this traverse effect where particles is spawning on the body and then traveling on the surface of body. So this is the new thing in Niagara and I'm covering this first time. So let's start this tutorial and you can find this file on my Patreon as usual. So let's start this. So I have this animation set up here in the sequencer, and this animation I downloaded from Mixamo. So you can just search pane and this first animation is the same. So I have downloaded and now I'm playing it through the sequencer. So let's make some particles like crawling on the surface of body of this. Let me also save this map. Okay. So what I have to do, you have to take a Niagara and take any like fountain. I'll call it fx, and in the fx, so first thing you have to do is just make this GPU emitter fixed. Then I don't need any force or these modules. Particle now spawning on the 0. I want to spawn that on the surface of my skeleton mesh. So for that I'll take the skeleton mesh